Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 27th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, we made a very strong push to the upside today. I'm kind of hoping that this is potentially the continuation of the uptrend and it's going to keep on going. It is August, and the markets have been very overlapping, so we can't really know for sure that it's going to keep on going up like that. So we got our Fibonacci retracement out here. And if it does make a break to the downside at a Fibonacci level, I definitely probably would stop looking for longs and get out of my longs and potentially even go short. Now I have it zoomed out a long ways because to me it looks like a possible recognizable correction. Look way over here, it looks like three waves down, and then it looks like a 5-3-5 pattern right here. So that's another three waves, and then potentially this could be a 1-2-3-4-5, which would be five waves. A little bit of a higher high wave B, a little bit of a lower low wave C. It looks like a potential regular flat. If this is a regular flat, then this would potentially keep on going up and take out all these swings on this 1 hour time frame. So hopefully that's how it plays out. But like I said, it is still August and the markets are normally not that trendy in August. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.